Okay, listen up, because I'm about to say something that may change the way you look at weight loss forever. Weight loss is not about cutting carbs, drinking celery juice, or doing burpees until your soul leaves your body. It comes down to one thing. Drum roll, please. CICO! It's not magic. It's not a trend. It's pure, delicious science. And today, I'm going to show you how to use it to lose weight even without exercise. Let's go. CICO is short for calories in, calories out. Every time you eat, you're taking in energy, calories. Every time you move, breathe, sleep, and simply exist, you're burning energy. That's your total daily energy expenditure, or TDEE. To lose weight, you need to eat fewer calories than your body burns. That creates a calorie deficit. Simple math, but with snacks. Here's the kicker. You don't have to exercise to lose weight. Mind blown. You can be in a calorie deficit through food alone. Say your body burns 1,800 calories a day. If you eat 1,500, boom, you're losing weight. Now, am I saying skip exercise forever? No. But if you're injured, busy, or just hate the gym, you can lose fat. When you're ready, adding movement can speed things up. Why? Because it increases how many calories you burn. You don't have to become a gym rat. Walking, dancing, even vacuuming your house counts. And bonus, muscle helps you burn more calories at rest. So strength training is like a calorie burning investment plan. All right, let's talk tools. Here's how to make this whole CICO thing as easy as ordering takeout. Start by tracking what you eat. Not guesstimating, actually measuring. That's where this baby comes in. Eyeballing peanut butter? That's a slippery slope, friend. Measuring gives you control. So measure to the gram. Also, track your progress. Use photos, measurements, and how your clothes fit. The scale is just one piece of the puzzle. Want to eat more and lose weight? Say hello to high volume foods. Veggies, fruits, broth-based soups, these foods take up space in your stomach without draining your calorie budget. Psst. Want to know more about how food breaks down and fills you up? Watch my video on how food digests and fuels your body. It's linked in the description and right here on screen. So let's recap. Weight loss is math, not magic. CICO gives you control. You don't have to starve. You don't have to suffer. And you definitely don't have to sprint at 6 a.m. in the rain. With the food scale and a tracking app and the tiniest bit of patience, you can absolutely do this. If you learned something today, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share this with someone who's still doing a detox. They need you. And don't forget to check out my digestion video next. It'll blow your mind and maybe your bloat.